Gates open, the rough and racing Scout Ranger jumps quick out of the gate, rushing up defiant. 11 Young Queen from the outside, down on the inside, Speed of Firm, so gorgeous. Treasure Hunter, while Lady Sutter is the early trailer by about 7 or 8 lengths of the leader. 3 runners fighting it out for the lead. Speed of Firm down on the inside. In the middle, Scout Ranger alongside Defiant. Treasure Hunter racing in fourth by some 3 lengths by the route so gorgeous. 11 Young Queen and Lady Sutter still running at the tail of the field. Last 600, the lead's taken over now by the outstanding favorite, and this one is Defiant. Speed of Firm running in second, and on the outside, Scout Ranger, Treasure Hunter rushing up so gorgeous. As they reach the last 400, that's still the outstanding favorite, Defiant, by some 2 lengths. So gorgeous down on the inside. Treasure Hunter, Scout Ranger, Speed of Firm, 11 Young Queen and Lady Sutter. And hitting the last 150 more to run with Defiant, increasing its marker to about 3 lengths. Treasure Hunter, and hitting the finish line, Defiant coming home in a magnificent style. Second, Treasure Hunter, 11 Young Queen, so gorgeous, Lady Sutter, Scout Ranger, and Speed of Firm comes last.